The design industry is truly evolving with the new Nano Banana Pro, and in this video, we'll look at some practical use cases for architects. Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been about 3 weeks since the launch of Nano Banana Pro, and the design community is going wild. It had its own initial hype, but now that the dust have settled, I wanted to take a look at some of the most practical use cases of Nano Banana Pro in the architecture and design industry. We did make a video of this using Higgsfield, and right now we will take a look at a few more use cases. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. There's been a lot of comments saying Nano Banana Pro isn't free, which is technically true. Nano Banana Pro in its full potential isn't free, but you can access it and create low resolution files for free. Technically, there are 3 ways to access Nano Banana Pro. Number 1 is through gemini.google.com, where you can sign in and get started. You might get a few free trials to experience the model. Number 2 is through Google AI Studio, which I like the most because it gives you a little more flexibility with the aspect ratio and other settings. To use Nano Banana Pro here, you will have to create a new project, set up your billing using your credit card, create an API key, and link it to your project. You'll be billed based on your usage. And number 3, if you find that too complicated, you can access Nano Banana Pro through other AI platforms. Site analysis diagrams. We can upload an exact site location into this model and create accurate site analysis relevant to the site context.
Let's start by heading to Google Maps or Google Earth and locating our site. Once we found it, make sure the view is perfectly aligned to true north and free from any distortion. Turn off 3D buildings for a clean base. Take a screenshot and bring it into Photoshop. Add a red outline around the site so the AI clearly understands the boundary. Save the image and head back to Google AI Studio. Select Nano Banana Pro. I've already linked my paid API key, so it's ready to go. Upload the screenshot, and now the most important part, the prompt. To get a professional output, the prompt needs to be precise. I'll add the full prompt on screen for reference. We describe a flat vector graphic style, desaturated colors, and a neutral palette. Include sun paths, arrows, text labels, landmarks, and key street features. Leave the aspect ratio set to auto and set the resolution to 4K, which is available only in the paid version. Click Run. You can see the model's thought process as it analyzes and refines the output. The results are impressive. All buildings and pathways are retained accurately, and the visual language is extremely clean. The only downside is that the diagram isn't editable. If you'd like to see a workaround to make this editable in Illustrator, let me know in the comments. Overall, this is a powerful tool for students and professionals to quickly generate diagrams for presentations and concepts.
Form evolution diagram. We know that Nano Banana Pro does extremely well with visuals, and it can actually create some pretty impressive form evolution diagrams from just a single image.
Now let's upload this rendering of a mixed-use tower. The prompt here is intentionally simple. From my experience, over-detailing prompts in Nano Banana Pro can sometimes break the output. So simpler often works better. Click Run and the diagrams start generating directly in the chat. In just a few seconds, we get the final image. The AI's graphic understanding is remarkable, clearly showing the transformation from a simple rectangular block to the final design. This is a basic example, but you can experiment with different styles and techniques to develop your own workflows.
Aerial views from Google Earth. We no longer have to worry if our site does not look too detailed on Google Earth. We can upscale them to a hyper-realistic image using Nano Banana Pro.
In many parts of the world, especially in countries like India, Google Maps data isn't always detailed enough for presentations. That's a limitation we often face. So here's a workaround. Take a screenshot of your site from Google Maps, upload it, and prompt the AI to generate a realistic aerial view while removing all text and labels. Click Run, and within seconds, you get a high-quality 4K image of the site. The surrounding context is retained accurately, making it perfect for overlays, presentation diagrams, or further editing in Photoshop. This even works for remote locations, which is a huge advantage.
Nano Banana Pro is truly revolutionizing the design industry, and to help designers adapt quickly, we have created a complete masterclass for floor plan rendering. A lot of you have already benefited from this masterclass, which we launched on the previous version of Nano Banana. And now on the Pro version, we have updated it to create impressive isometrics, realistic floor plan visuals, stylistic rendering of 2D drawings without any prior experience. You also receive a PDF with 30 plus prompt styles that you can simply take and adapt to turn your simple CAD drawings into high-quality visuals. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this masterclass. Rendering a 3D model. This is one of the most common use cases and it's already becoming a turning point in the visualization industry.
I've used a simple screenshot of a tower here. Just asking for a realistic render gives generic results. So for stylistic control, the prompt really matters. In this case, I specify a low camera perspective with a 35mm lens to focus on the entrance. Details like asphalt roads with cracks, fallen leaves, lighting direction, mood, vegetation, and human activity all help shape the scene. Set the resolution to 4K and click Run. The result is a cinematic, professional quality render that retains the original design accurately. You can control the camera further by adjusting the aspect ratio and focal length. To match the original screenshot, I've kept the ratio on auto and fine-tuned the prompt. Interior renders follow the same logic. Upload a screenshot and describe the lighting, materials, fabrics, and atmosphere for best results.
Style empty spaces. This workflow can add furniture and decor to an empty space and it's by far one of the most accurate models.
We have two images, one of an empty interior site and other with a fully furnished design. Let's add the design from image 2 to image 1. This can work without a reference image as well, with a mood board or just multiple furniture images to furnish a space.
Technical details. Since Nano Banana Pro has a great level of understanding of diagrams, we can use it to blend technical drawings into our designs and concepts.
I've made a simple section sketch of a museum and added few labels on it. Let's add it into Nano Banana Pro and describe the details of the section. Mention the relevant roofing elements, wall sections, flooring, and footing details. The interior can also be made lively with human figures and showpieces. We can mention the style as well, and here's the result. On a first glance, it looks exceptional how the AI is able to interpret a simple sketch with precision. But technically, this isn't accurate, and it's only a diagram to be used on a conceptual level. The levels are highly inaccurate, and the wall section misses the brick detail. But overall, this can be a powerful ideation tool. We can turn this into a CAD-style drawing as well, or even turn it into a realistic rendering to understand the mood of the space.
So that was it from the use cases of Nano Banana Pro for architects. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access the floor plan rendering masterclass. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and what other topics you would like to see in future. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.